Hi, I'm Jim Lottig with Nextivity.
So why don't you talk a little bit about what Nextivity is showcasing here at Campus Safety Conference?
Sure. So, one of the biggest concerns in schools is not being able to communicate inside the buildings. So, whether it's being able to talk on your cell phone to call 911 or text issues like mass notifications, a lot of times the cellular coverage just doesn't work inside the buildings. And so we're helping to solve those problems with our smart tenant technology. And then we're also helping the two-way radio communication inside the schools to be able to help the first responders and the SOEs that are inside the building to be able to communicate while they're addressing concerns as they show up to these facilities. So we're solving both of those problems. And then the latest thing that we're doing is we looked at that and said, what else can we do with those antennas, right? We're fixing one of those two issues. And so we wanted to talk to people about how else can we use those antennas for other things. So we have a new antenna technology that actually uses things like a panic button, a full turnkey solution. It has a Bluetooth capability that allows for panic button capability, and it also does AI gunshot detection. So there's actually an acoustic sensor in here that allows the antenna to be able to communicate not only what happened and that there was a gunshot or a panic button pressed, but also where it's at inside the building, because it's using all those antennas to communicate an actual location inside the building, so that not only can they actually talk on their phones and they can talk on their radios, but when there's an incident that happens, that the first responders know exactly what's happening inside the building, because we really feel that those seconds, those minutes that we communicate can really save lives in the building, and that's really why we're here, is to help people be more effective in helping and keeping their schools safe.
And are you happy with the caliber of the people you've seen come by
Yeah,
your stand, like real decision makers?
Yeah, absolutely. So for us, there's usually two sides of the coin for schools. It's either the technology director side or the safety director side. And we've seen actually both of those people coming through today. In some cases, we've seen a team of collaborators from the same school coming through, which is great to see, because we really feel like it takes that collaboration to have the most effective response inside the schools. So yeah, we've seen those kinds of individuals, which are great people for us to be talking to.